Welcome back to another in-depth look at some of the most powerful machines shaping construction and earth moving in today's world. And this time we are exploring the 2025 John Deere 1050K, known as the largest dozer in the John Deere lineup. This machine represents a combination of brute force, modern engineering, and operator-focused technology that makes it stand out in a highly competitive market. Whether you are considering upgrading your fleet or simply fascinated by heavy equipment, this detailed breakdown of the 1050K SX interior, performance, and price will give you the full picture of what this dozer has to offer. When you first see the John Deere 1050K in person, the exterior presence is undeniable. This machine weighs over 94,000 pounds, and every inch of it is designed with power and durability in mind. The signature John Deere green and yellow finish gives it a bold identity, but the design goes much deeper than appearance. The front blade is engineered for strength and versatility, offered in semi-U and full-U configurations that allow operators to push vast amounts of material with precision. The blade's curvature is optimized for carrying capacity, while the reinforced edges ensure it can withstand years of heavy work without compromising performance. Looking closely at the undercarriage, you notice how John Deere has reinforced the tracks and frame to ensure stability even on uneven or steep ground. The raised final drives are designed to keep critical components away from dirt, rocks, and debris, reducing the risk of damage and extending the machine's service life. Maintenance is also simplified with wide access points and strategically placed panels, allowing technicians to perform routine checks and repairs quickly. The tapered hood and angled engine compartments also serve a functional purpose, giving operators a much clearer view of the blade and ground ahead. Visibility like this is a huge advantage in precision grading or when working around obstacles on a busy site. From the side, the 1050K's proportions highlight its stability. The wide stance of the tracks gives it the ability to handle slopes confidently, while the overall structure emphasizes strength and longevity. The machine is built to stay on the ground and keep moving forward no matter how tough the terrain. Every design decision on the exterior reflects John Deere's focus on reducing downtime, boosting productivity, and delivering a machine that feels dependable from the first job to the thousandth. Moving into the interior, the John Deere 1050K surprises many who expect a rugged machine to have a basic cabin. Instead, the cab is designed with operator comfort and technology at its core. Step inside and you are greeted with a spacious, climate-controlled environment that feels modern and professional. Large windows wrap around the cab, offering excellent visibility in all directions and drastically reducing blind spots. This visibility not only improves efficiency, but also enhances safety on job sites where multiple machines and workers are moving around simultaneously. The operator's seat is fully adjustable and features advanced air suspension to minimize fatigue during long hours of operation. Comfort may sound secondary to performance, but anyone who has worked a 12-hour shift in a dozer knows that operator fatigue can directly affect productivity and accuracy. Controls are carefully laid out with joystick operation providing smooth and responsive handling of the blade and machine. With everything within arm's reach, the operator can remain focused on the job without unnecessary strain or distraction. Technology inside the cab pushes the 1050K into a new league. A central digital display provides real-time updates on machine health, diagnostics, and performance metrics, while John Deere's Grade Pro system integrates advanced grade control directly into the machine. This system allows operators to achieve precise grading results with less guesswork, saving time, fuel, and material. For complex projects, it gives contractors the edge in efficiency and accuracy, which ultimately translates into cost savings. Connectivity options like Bluetooth, advanced HVAC, and sound insulation also add to the experience, making the cab feel closer to a modern truck or office than a heavy-duty dozer. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the John Deere 1050K truly makes its mark. Powering this giant is a 350 horsepower engine that delivers the raw strength necessary to move massive volumes of dirt, rock, or debris. The torque curve has been carefully engineered to provide consistent pulling power, ensuring the machine doesn't stall or struggle even under the heaviest loads. At the same time, John Deere has refined its engine technology to improve fuel efficiency and meet the latest emission standards, giving operators both performance and sustainability. The hydrostatic transmission is another key to its capabilities. Unlike traditional transmissions, this system provides infinitely variable speed control, allowing operators to fine-tune movements with incredible precision. Whether you are pushing a full blade of material, making delicate grading adjustments, or maneuvering in tight spaces, the hydrostatic system ensures smooth transitions and maximum control. This adaptability makes the 1050K suitable for a wide range of tasks, from rough cuts to final grading. Hydraulics also play a vital role, and the 1050K's load-sensing hydraulic system adjusts power delivery automatically based on demand. That means the machine provides extra muscle when pushing hard, but eases back when performing lighter tasks. conserving fuel and reducing wear on components. Add to that the durability of the heavy steel construction, reinforced components, and cooling systems designed for extreme conditions, and you have a machine that is built to keep going no matter what environment it's in, from hot desert sites to freezing northern winters. The 1050K is engineered to perform reliably. Of course, no discussion is complete without the price. In 2025, the John Deere 1050K typically ranges between $850,000 and $1 million, depending on the specific configuration, attachments, and technology options you select. For some, that number may seem high, but when you consider the productivity gains, the advanced technology integration, and the durability of this machine, it becomes clear that the investment pays off over time. Contractors working on large-scale projects, mining operations, and road-building crews can quickly recover costs through efficiency and reduced downtime. John Deere also offers financing and leasing programs, making it more accessible for companies that want the benefits of the 1050K without a huge upfront expense. To sum it all up, the 2025 John Deere 1050K is more than just a bulldozer. It is a complete package of power, technology, and operator comfort. On the outside, it is tough and durable, built to handle the harshest conditions while reducing downtime with smart design. On the inside, it prioritizes operator well-being with comfort, visibility, and integrated technology that makes complex tasks easier and more accurate. In performance, it is a powerhouse that delivers both raw strength and refined control, adapting seamlessly to whatever the job demands. And in terms of price, it positions itself as a serious investment that pays dividends in efficiency and reliability for anyone looking to take their earth-moving capabilities to the next level. The John Deere 1050K is a machine that proves itself job after job. It embodies the balance of tradition and innovation that John Deere is known for, and in 2025, it remains one of the most compelling choices for professionals who demand the very best from their equipment.